Today, I get to introduce you to the CE Deploy, our desktop application for bulk administration of Cisco collaboration endpoints. It gets its name from the operating system Cisco endpoints use, CE. Sadly, without CE, it can be quite cumbersome to customize and configure some of the features of Cisco's collaboration endpoints. If you wanted to, for example, update the background image on one of Cisco's video endpoints and add your customer's logo, you would log into the device, either via Teams or directly, and upload the image. While not hard to do for a single endpoint, this would be quite cumbersome to do across tens or even hundreds of devices, as you'd have to log into each one at a time and upload the same image. Not true with CE Deploy. Simply add the image and a CSV file containing all the endpoints into CE Deploy and let it simultaneously update all of the endpoints. And background images are just one of the features you can bulk deploy. Others include macros, UI controls, wallpapers, branding, logs, and digital signage. This cross-platform desktop application is simple to use and built upon Cisco's APIs, combined with open source software such as Electron and Node.js. Now let me hand you over to Chris for a demo of CE Deploy in action.
And I'll just give a quick overview. As you can see, it has built-in documentation, so we can come in here and we can look at exactly what we want to deploy and how to deploy it. And it also has the ability to join a public WebEx team space to be able to get support. But let's jump back to the application itself. And to deploy something to an endpoint or a group of endpoints, you need the username and password for the admin. So this is the local admin account on the actual endpoints themselves. So if we want to, we can actually put in a password and check to make sure we got it right. But I'll put in the actual password we want to use. And then to do the deployment, we just need to get a CSV with our endpoints, which can be IP addresses or the actual URLs used by the endpoints themselves, so we can use DNS. And then if we want to check, we can do a quick credentials check to make sure we got our password right. So we got our password wrong. So now let's go back and retype in our password. Make sure we got it right. And this time it was successful. So now we want to go down and select the feature we want to deploy. In this case, it's wallpapers. And we're going to browse and we're going to select one of our wallpapers to deploy. So let's go to pictures and let's pick this delightful picture. And let's roll that out to our two endpoints that are in our CSV file. So now it's just a matter of clicking on deploy and sitting back and waiting. So it takes a few seconds for wallpapers to deploy, but we see we've completed it with 0 errors. So if we wanted to check the application log, in case we did get some errors, we can go over and we can take a look at the application log. Scroll down to the bottom, but we can see we're 100% completed. New wallpaper images were uploaded successfully, but you can scroll through and you can check out other things in the log if you want to make sure everything was okay. Right, let's go back to our endpoint now. And let's see our wallpaper that got deployed. So as you can see, the wallpaper successfully deployed to our rootkit. So that is CE Deploy. It's designed to help make deployment of our CE rootkits easier and help get assets out faster. Thank you.